Hello friends, how are you? My name is Gushan and you are watching my YouTube channel Updated Technology. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix your external mic not working in your Android mobile. So, if you recently bought an external mic, you have noticed a problem that if you plug in your external mic and try to shoot any video or just voice over from any editing app, it will not record the voice from the external mic. It will start recording your voice from the Android device. So it is very frustrating. So to fix it, you have to just go to Play Store and search for Open Camera. This application enables you a hidden option. So you have to simply just download and install this application. After installing, you have to just click on open and this application will be open. As this application open, you will see a setting icon on the top corner. You have to just click on setting icon. After you clicked on the setting icon, you have to scroll down in the settings and you will see a more option of video settings. You have to click on it. In video settings, you will see a audio source option. You have to click on it and you have to select the second option, external mic, if present. This option will enable you to work your external mic in your Android device. It is a hidden option which is not enabled in newly updated mobiles. It is available in old versions of mobiles or some versions of mobiles, but in new mobiles it is hidden and it doesn't open in settings. So you have to do like this, and now you can use your external mic for voiceovers, for recording your videos by simple camera or as your wish. So today in this video only this much. If you are new on our channel, subscribe and like this video if this video was small informative for you, and click the bell icon and set it at all.